Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to download Roblox Studio on your iPhone or get Roblox Studio on your home screen. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what I want you to do first is, if you want to download it by App Store, then you can do it. You can search for Roblox Studio. And then you can install Roblox. But if you want to keep Roblox Creator Hub in your homepage, then you cannot download it via App Store. So what I want you to do is go to any browser. In my case, I'm going to Google Chrome. Then I want you to search for Roblox Studio. Then click on the first link called Roblox Creator Hub. And here you will get an option of login. You can log in first, then add it to your home screen, but I will add it to my home screen first. So click on the share button over here, and then click on add to home screen, and you can name anything. I'm naming it to Roblox Creator Hub. Then click on add. Then it will be added to your homepage, as you can see here. So this is a quick and easy method about how to get Roblox Studio on your home screen. I hope this video was helpful. Please do leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comment box below. I'm Elise signing off. I'll see you in the next video.